Good morning, everyone. Today, we're on a little field trip. We were tasked with something very important. Welcome to Operation Go-kart. As some of you know, Sarah's moving shop, so I have been given the task of extracting this go-kart. And I'm not complaining because I very much wanted to drive this thing, but I have no clue if it'll even start or how old this fuel is. Does it have an ignition switch? I know she told me to change the fuel, but I kind of want to see if it'll just start. Fluids. Oops. I thought that was a dipstick, and it wasn't. It was a fill plug or drain plug, and now there's oil all over. So fuel on, choke on. Oh, the filter looks really good. Just gonna put a wee bit of fresh fuel in here. If I turn it on, is this thing just gonna go? I think she said it was direct drive. Oh, I found the dipstick. Try it again. Okay, let's try this outside. What the fuck? Oh no, oh no. I'm already out of breath. I feel like I need to prop it up on something. Full disclosure, guys, I don't know squat about this go-kart, nor much other go-karts, but it looks like it's direct drive, so if the engine is spinning, those tires are gonna be spinning, so I can't really start it on the floor like that. Attempt number 300, I've propped it up. Choke is on, fuel is on, ignition on. Ooh. This is gonna go? How the hell does this work? Why? Is there no neutral? Oh. What do I have to get a running start in this? Not sure what to do here. Okay, let's call in the expert. Hey boss, so if this thing is direct drive, I got it to start, but how am I supposed to get on if the wheels are just spinning? I have it propped up. Does it just always go?
No.
Is there like a neutral to it or something?
No.
Or you just hold the brakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta give it throttle to make it move.
Oh, okay. I mean, because the wheels are I mean, it feels like it's gonna go as soon as I start it, like it's gonna run off on me.
Yeah, I mean.
Kinda?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. Cool, I'll figure it out. Thank you.
Once you get it running, just kind of like shut it off and then start it from sitting on it.
Okay. Okay, cool, yeah.
Just start it from sitting on it.
Okay, cool, I haven't tried that yet. I'll try that now.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
You guys heard the boss. Just to sit on it and then to go. Ignition on. Oh my gosh, I can't even reach the pedals. Oh my, this is... How are you even supposed to turn it on like this? Oh no, I can't. Okay, she said to turn it on while sitting down, but I don't think I could really do that. Me and Sarah are very dimensionally different. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I can't. Look, this is very tippy toes. Is there a seat adjustment? Doubt it. If I'm not in it, it'll just stall when the tires are on the ground. We're gonna have to get a running start here, folks. Hey, like it runs there. Now how do I get on? That was some proper fun. Okay, maybe if I press on the brake. Jesus, why is it so violent? Oh, I think that's it. Oh, come on. And I just sat down. I just sat down. Oh! Okay, I couldn't get it to start again with the wheels on the ground, but I'm so glad because on one of the failed restarts, I noticed that the brake pedal had come completely loose, so I would have smashed into one of these storage units. Well, I don't have any cotter pins at the moment, but what I do have is an extra keychain. All right, I don't know what the deal is. Sarah said to turn it on while I'm inside, but there's no way my arm can reach that far. Nice place for a cup holder right here. Ozzy would know what to do. See, I thought getting it running was gonna be the problem, but it's the running that's the problem. It just wants to run away. Are they normally like this? What is that doing? Well, guys, my camera, or the lens, just broke. So you can see it's a little cocked to the right. Well, guess the go-kart wins today. Is this thing on? Well, hello everyone. You guys are now seeing this from a new camera. Well, new to me because Sarah left it to us at a ridiculously good deal. But we are presented with another task. Being that it's a new building, we are going to add some mini splits because we're in Arizona. So we have to pour some concrete pads. And being perfectly honest here, I've never poured a concrete pad myself. I'm not that kind of Mexican, but I think I know who to call.
Uh, 18 feet that way, and it's gonna be about 2 by 4, and then maybe like 2 feet off the building. You want that in meters?
Pues la neta, no entendí nada de lo que dijo la gringa alta. Y tampoco sé por qué me hablaron a mí si nunca he hecho esto yo tampoco. Pero pues vamos a aprender. Más o menos. Más o menos ahí está bien, ¿no? Hay que nivelar tantito. Está bien. Sale. Tantita agua. Se menea, se menea, se menea. Ahí quedó. Ahí vamos. Y si se nos cae, pues ahí valió madre. Vamos a echarnos otra. Ya vino la jefa a decirme cómo hacerlo.
Speak to me in Spanish.
¿Por qué?
Don't know what you're saying.
Alright, so this is attempt number 2 with the go-kart. Oh God!
I sleep in a storage unit. Do you even reach the pedals?
I don't. That was my.
I was like
biggest-
seriously wondering because it's meant for like 5, 10 and up. Alright, so you gonna try to start it? So this is how I start. I hold the brake and pull start it. It should stay still with you pull starting it.
See? You hear that?
Yeah.
That's.
No, something's not right.
Like I bet you, as soon as we prop it up, it'll start.
That's how you got it to start before?
Mm-hmm. As soon as I
That
prop
doesn't
up.
make any sense because I've started this before.
Yeah, I don't
It
know.
took off.
I don't know how you started it while being in there. Like I could not.
Yeah, I would start it standing on it and then go.
You could feel it like wanting to go.
Yeah. This guy right here, the little slipper clutch thingy,
Yeah.
that should slip inside.
See,
so
there
you
is
can
a
start
clutch.
it.
See, that's
Yeah.
what I was wondering. That's the noise that we're hearing right there.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, because there was points where it would stay still and it would like idle.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
the little clutch right here.
yeah, I don't know where to go. So what engages the clutch? Throttle?
Yeah, it's
By
a
itself?
centrifugal clutch.
So it's always engaged.
Yeah, there's like little flyweights in it. I think they come out.
Yeah, see right now it's engaged.
I think I'm trying to remember what was wrong with it. There was something wrong with it. I wonder if it is the clutch was fucked up.
You hear that? What is that ding?
Yeah, it's called the same gauge.
It's stuck engaged, right? See, so I'm not that much of an idiot. Something was really wrong with it.
Check when you down the ground. It just needs to be adjusted. Hold the brake for a minute. Yep.
There she goes.
Yeah, I'm worried about that camper crank.
So there was something wrong with it, and I'm not an idiot,
Yeah,
or both.
there's a lot of things I just need to adjust on this. It got driven hard and put away wet, or however that saying goes. Alright, ready?
So before we put the go-kart away, we're gonna wait for Charlie to come back with the trailer, so we could load that up and take it to the new place.
I'm gonna pull off the seat so we can take a look at the I'm pretty sure it's just called the clutch on there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about swapping the CVT back on it because when I had the CVT, it idled a lot easier than with that thing on there. But I think I lost top end speed with the CVT. Did you change a plug on it?
Same fuel, same plug.
Because it's a Honda engine, not a Harbor Freight one. The seat adjustment is not really possible. The only thing you could do is put some pillows in the seat.
I mean, I could reach, kind of. It's tippy toes.
I think I made the clutch angry. That's what I mean, it needs a good tune-up adjustment.
Press on the throttle. Return spring is out.
That's why this thing was parked for so long. It was just lots of stuff like this. I just needed to go through it and tune it up. And now it's been so long, I don't even remember
what it is.
Yeah, because when I restored this thing, I was literally having to look everything up because I'd never worked on a small engine like this.
Yeah.
I've never had a dirt bike or a four-wheeler or go-kart. Well, that's probably not good. The throttle cable rubs on the back wheel. There's spider eggs all over this thing. There's what? Spider eggs. Spider eggs? Yeah, we probably had spiders crawling all over us while we were riding it.
Oh my god.
Ouch, that's really hot. These tools will get the job done. All right.
Oh, okay, we did it backwards.
Yep. That is what I think happened.
So
the spring went flying.
Well, a drive later, the go-kart is at the new shop next to Gump. But Sarah broke the go-kart before I got to actually have some real fun with it. Yeah, that one had a couple issues starting. You
could see there was the gas because it started a fire and then it was and the fuel pump sounds like it's not happy.
Yeah, it started a fire pretty good with the starting fluid, but...
The last time I put gas in that was probably 2018.
Damn!
19.
We had done some of the body work on this. We might continue it. Not sure yet. But it'd be cool to see that in all white and with the... Yeah, just finished it with the WRC stuff on it. Wonder how Ozzy's doing. Well, this video was a little bit out of the norm for our usual content here, but you guys got to see a little bit of my daily life outside of the stable. I think Ozzy is dead, so we're gonna have to find a new assistant for the channel. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. You got any last words?
Where's your belly button?